Hello and welcome to our video of the MG4 exclusive model, where we'll talk about all the features of your new car that you'll want to know about. Whether you've just purchased your new MG4 or you're looking at buying one, this video is for you. Starting with the front of your vehicle, we have our angular LED lights, we have our MG badge, and just below your MG badge we have one of our 360 cameras, which are also found on the wing mirrors and on the back of your vehicle. We have our cooling grille underneath, our LED light strips, which are only found on the exclusive model, not on the Excite model. These are for your indicators. And then we have our last camera on the windscreen, which is for things like your lane assist. Taking a look at this side of your vehicle, the most important part, the charging point. This is located just here, and it supports 7 kilowatts of AC charging and 135 kilowatts of DC charging on your long range, and 88 kilowatts of DC charging on your standard range. We have our rear passenger tinted windows, keyless entry with this button just here, and we have our indicator light strips on our wing mirrors, which also has one of our 360 cameras on it. And then taking a look at the wheel, we have 17-inch alloys with these aerodynamic covers on them. Taking a look at the back of the vehicle, we have the MG badge, and just below that the 360 cam. There are two upper spoilers and our upper brake light just in between. The crosshatch design is located on the back of the vehicle, and we have this light bar coming across here in this boomerang shape around to the side. And below we have our two rear sensors for parking. Coming around to the boot of the MG4, there is a way to adjust the bottom of the boot to give yourself a little bit more space if you need it. Let me show you. To take it out, simply lift your base up, grab the edges and flip them underneath, and then just slide your boot back into position, and that's it. If you're planning on using your MG4 as a family vehicle, there are Isofix mounts located in the back seats of the car. Moving to the inside of the car, let's take a look at the steering wheel. We have two shortcut buttons on either side of the steering wheel, and these are our little star icons. So if you want to customize these, what you have to do is go to your home screen, go into the little car icon, and then move to convenience in your menu up here. Then you'll see a function for left switch on steering wheel and function for right switch on steering wheel. So if you just hit the arrow, a menu of 4 options will come up, and you can set these to whichever you like. So we have the right one set to AC and the left one set to energy recovery. So now when we press our favorite button here, the AC menu will pop up, and you can use your joystick here to alter the temperature or the fan speed. And if you want the menu to disappear, you just simply press your star icon again. Same with the left side of the vehicle. If you press your star icon, the energy recovery will change, as we have this one favorited to energy recovery. Let's talk about our MG Pilot menu. So this little steering wheel icon will change depending on what you have it set to in this menu. So to get here, we press our little car icon, and then in our MG Pilot menu here, we have a few different settings. We can set it to ACC, which is Adaptive Cruise Control. And then on our little menu here with the joystick, we can change the distance from the car in front of us. Same thing with your traffic jam assist. So again, you can change the distance from the vehicle in front of you with the little joystick. If we want to set speed limit assist, we have to have ACC and TGA turned off. Now your speed limit mode will appear, so you can have this set to manual or intelligent. So if you have it set to manual, you will manually set the speed limit that you don't want to surpass. If you have it set to intelligent, the car will read the road signs and will not let you pass the speed limit that it reads. In this menu, you'll also find your lane keep assist. It's just a little toggle here, and when you switch it off, it will no longer help you stay within your lanes. According to the user manual, just remember you must have the lane keep assist switched off if you're driving on country roads or roads with poor markings. Looking back at the steering wheel of the MG4, we have a joystick on the right hand side. Now if you hit this up or down, it will adjust the media volume, or if you hit it left or right, it will change the song or the radio station depending on what you have the source set to. Let's take a look at the charging menu in the MG4. So again, head over to your screen and press charging. Now we have a few different options in this menu. First, we can see the percentage battery we have left and the range we have left. And here we can adjust to what we want the vehicle to charge to. So if you have a long range MG4 for your short everyday journeys, you want to set this from 50 to 80%, as this will increase the lifespan of your battery and reduce battery degradation. If you have a standard range MG4, you can set this all the way to 100% and just let it charge all the way. There's a little settings menu here, and here you'll find your scheduled charging, which means you can set your charging to start at a certain time and finish at a certain time in case you have things like different night rates for your electricity. There's also two little information icons located here, which if you press will just give you a little bit more information on the charging. Also on the screen, there's a small lock icon located just here, which allows you to lock and unlock your charging port. If you have the appropriate cable for discharging, in your discharge settings menu, you can set how much battery percentage you would like to have left while you're discharging to another electric item. This will never let you go below 20%. There are 5 different ways in which you can turn on your air conditioning in your MG4. Let's take a look. The first way in which you can turn on your AC is by pressing the on-off AC button, and this will allow your menu to appear on the screen. The second way is if you go back to Home and swipe across to your next menu, you can press AC and your AC menu again will appear. The third way in which you can switch on your AC is by pressing your favorite button. The fourth way in which you can turn on your AC is by swiping down from the top of the screen. The last way in which you can turn on your AC is by pressing the voice control icon on your steering wheel. So when you press this, you can ask the car to increase fan speed or to decrease or increase your temperature. If you want to turn on your fog lights, simply head to your screen and tap the top left icon. This will then turn on your fog lights. You'll see an icon appear on your driver screen in front of you, knowing that you have your fog lights switched on. On your MG4 display screen, there's also a hidden menu at the top. So what you do is you simply swipe down on either side of the HVAC menu and you'll see a number of different settings appear. You have your vehicle settings, your system settings, and then you can alter your brightness here as well. A fun thing you can set up on your MG4 is a custom greeting for when you get into your vehicle. To set this up, simply head into your settings and on the side scroll down to Voice. Here you'll see the setting Greetings. Hit this and you have the option to set a custom greeting. Here you can type in whichever you want. I'll type in hello. And now this custom greeting will appear every time I get into the car.